How to redeem code in Capybara Go. What you want to do is just load up the game, click on your profile icon in the top left, and then copy your user ID. So here you will just click on the icon next to it and copy your UID. After you have copied it, you want to open up your browser on your phone and go to this website, gift.capybarago.io, and here's what we do here. You want to paste your code in the first field, so press and hold on to it to paste it. Then in the second field you will enter the rewards code like so, and then you have to also type out the verification code, which you can see to the side. Afterwards, click on redeem, and here just confirm yes, and that's how you redeem codes in Capybara Go. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.